Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start our experiment, that is to study the law of combination of resistance in series using meter bridge. So, for this we are having the apparatus meter bridge, two different resistances, one way key, a galvanometer, resistance box, jockey, connecting wire, battery eliminator and sandpaper. So this is your meter bridge. Why we call it meter bridge? Because the scale which is used on meter bridge is of 1 meter. This is resistance box. This is galvanometer. This is unknown resistance. This is key and this one is jockey. Now the formula which is used in the series, that is R1 plus R2. We have to calculate the unknown resistance which are connected here. So first of all we recall the circuit. These are the two separations on the meter bridge. In one separation we have to attach resistance box, and here we attach two resistances in series. Or if we want to calculate the resistance in parallel, then we connect resistances in parallel. Now in middle one we are connected galvanometer with a jockey key. So here the galvanometer is connected with jockey key. Now here we connect resistance box, and in this we connect resistance. After that this end is connected with a battery. Here we connect with a battery, and that battery is connected with a key. So the circuit is complete now. So the working of this is, when we place jockey here, the galvanometer shows deflection like this, and when we place jockey on the other side, the galvanometer shows deflection like this. So we move the jockey on the wire, so the galvanometer shows the reading from left to right, and a one point where the galvanometer shows the zero deflection. Then we calculate the length L, and other length is 100 minus L. So in this formula we put this L and 100 minus L. Before that we remove the plug from the resistance box, and here we write the value of the plug or the resistance we plugged out. So this 100 minus L upon L is multiplied by that resistance that we plugged out. So then after calculation we are finding out the value of resistance, the combination of resistances which are connected in series. Now again we remove the resistance of another value and solve it and calculate the value of R2. Similarly, for other resistance we calculate the value of R3. Now here you see the meter bridge is connected with resistance box. Resistances in series are connected here. In middle one galvanometer is connected, and one key jockey is connected. After that key is connected, then battery is connected. This terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and negative terminal of the battery is connected with the key. So then we open the key and check that our galvanometer is moving or not. So here you see the galvanometer shows deflection. Now we remove the resistance 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, that means total 5 ohm. We remove the resistance, that is value of capital R is 5. So we see if we move the jockey, place the jockey here, then the value is in this direction, and if we place the jockey here, then the value is in this direction. See, as we move the jockey, the galvanometer moves and the deflection is 0 at this time. So when the deflection is 0, then the bridge is balanced, which is this meter bridge is based on Wheatstone bridge. So when we place the jockey at a particular point, it gives the 0 deflection, which is the situation the bridge is balanced. So now if we move here, the galvanometer shows the deflection, and if we move the jockey like this, then it gives the 0 value. So now we note down the value of L. This is 28. Now see, the deflection is this, and the value of L is 28. So the value of 100 minus L is 72. Now we note down these readings. The value of resistance box is 5. L is 28. 100 minus L is 72. So after solving, we calculate the value of R1. Now we take the another observation. Now we remove the resistance 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 5 ohm. The total resistance is 10 ohms. Then I write 10 ohms. Then we see the deflection is here, and here the deflection is here. Now I move the jockey, and when I move the jockey, at this point, galvanometer shows the 0 reading, and the point is 46. If the point is 46, L ki value 46, and then 100 minus L is 54. So 46, 54. Now we remove the resistance 10, 5, 5. The total resistance that we removed is 20 ohms. So here the value is 20. Now we see here shows the deflection like this, and here shows the deflection here in opposite direction. Please see, अगर आप इस डायरेक्शन, इस जगह पे जॉकी रखते हो तो आपकी डिफ्लेक्शन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होगी. ऑपोजिट एंड्स पे आपकी डिफ्लेक्शन ऑपोजिट होगी इन गैल्वेनोमीटर. सो नाउ वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर. Now the bridge is balanced. If we move, then the needle is moved in opposite direction. See. So at this point, that is a zero deflection, and the reading is near about 62. If L is 62, then 100 minus L is 38. So, after calculation, R 100 minus L upon L, R 100 minus L upon L, R 100 minus L upon L. So, after solving, we get 12.8, 11.7, 11.8. So, now we calculate the mean, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3 upon 3, because we take 3 readings. Okay. Now, see, the value of this resistance is 5 ohm and the value of this resistance is 5 ohm. So, in series, the value of the resistance is 5 plus 5, because we have the formula R1 plus R2. So, that is total 10 ohms. So, here the approximate answer of R is near about 12 ohms. So, this is our experiment of meter bridge. Now, if we want to do this experiment in parallel, then now as you see, the resistances are connected in parallel. In this way, you have to calculate the value of resistance in parallel. So, hope you understand the video. Still you have any doubt, then you can ask me, and you have to purchase your notebooks of practical and do this practical in your notebook. Thank you.